Today, I would like to take you through how I made this delicious Buka stew. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well and you're taking life a step at a time, right? In preparing Buka stew, you're going to combine your vegetable oil and your palm oil. Our goal is not to bleach the oil, okay? When it becomes hot, you saute your onions until it's fragrant. You're going to add curry powder and thyme, stir together to combine. Allow it to fry into the oil for 1 minute before you introduce your tomato and pepper mix. If you're new to this channel, welcome to 426 Kitchen. We're glad you stopped by, and you can subscribe to become our family member. Thank you. Blended together is cayenne pepper, known as shombo, and bell pepper, known as tatashi. We have Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and please, the Scotch bonnet pepper will need to be more than every other one. Tomato. Blend everything together until they become smooth. Now for your Buka stew, you don't need to strain the water from the tomato, okay? All you need to do is to add everything and cook it with the oil until everything gets dried and the taste soaks into the tomato paste. Now after 20 minutes of allowing the tomato fry into the oil, I added my favorite seasonings. Stir together to combine, cover it and allow it fry again for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our Buka stew is properly fried. I'll introduce our protein. I think the best protein in making your Buka stew is assorted meats and a touch of boiled egg, but you can use any protein of choice. I added the protein, stirred together to combine, and at this point, I will taste and adjust to any lacking seasoning. And here I'm adjusting with salt, stir together to combine. I'll cover it again to steam cook for 10 minutes so everything can be well incorporated. After 10 minutes, the stew is ready. How to know that your stew is ready is when you see the bubbles throwing up, as you can see here in the video. You know that your stew is ready. I love to pair this with okra and amala. I don't know what you would like to have this with, but you can have it with just anything. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate you. Thank you for keeping this channel afloat. We are grateful. We are almost hitting 100 subscribers just so soon, and I am so happy. All right. Thank you for watching once again. Till I meet you again, do have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.